Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Kikoff Credit Card. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to go to the Kikoff official website. So here you can see this is our official website, so let's click on there. Alright, so here what you have to do is, if you have an account, you can just click on login and you can use the Kikoff credit card. However, if you don't have an account, what you can do is click on sign up, and next what you can do is just enter your email over here and just tap on get started. So let's enter our email and click get started. So here it will take some time to load, and here now you have to add a strong password. So let's enter a password over here. So after you do that, let's go to the Kikoff account. So here this is the second step where you'll be able to open a credit card. So let's click on get started. So once you click here, you'll be redirected to this page. So what you have to do is enter your true information over here, such as your legal name, and you have to fill in the blanks over here. And once you complete all these steps, you'll be able to obtain a credit card. And over here you have to enter your phone number, but since I don't reside in the country, I don't have a phone number starting with +1. So here it is really simple steps. What you have to do is enter your phone number and then fill in the other details as well, and you'll be able to use credit card easily to make some small purchase on Amazon or any other services. So that's it. That is how you will be able to use Kikoff credit card. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.